The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel and to the new video. And right now we're doing Bittorrent. Bittorrent has been going down for a while. Right now it's looking like it's finding some kind of support, so we don't want to talk about it. Also, right now it's up like 4% today, while other coins are like down 4%. So that must be a good thing, right? So basically we're gonna do some tech analysis and see what we can figure out of the Bittorrent. That's it. Let's get into the charts. Make my face smaller, charts bigger as always. Cannot be a bad thing, and see what's actually happening here. So before we start, let me explain you what we are seeing here. So we're gonna zoom in a little bit on here. Basically we have this let me turn on the moving averages. We have this line at 0.079 that's being used as very important support line. I'm going to explain to you why it's very important. You can see down here, this is the first time when it went down and went up and created this support line down here. Very important support line. We're going to watch it a lot, and I'm going to tell you right now that it's already holding it. So you can see also these two lines down here. This bottom line was created by these two candles, and these two candles created the upper support line. And you can see that over here we actually used the upper support line to get the support on the way down. Now however you look at this support down here at 0.079 is very important, and it's working out very nicely. So this candle, preferably this green candle, preferably is gonna close above 0.079. Best case scenario above this previous red candle, and I'm gonna also explain to you why that is important. Now, if you haven't watched my previous video, you can see that these two candles work, and these two candles work together, and then these three candles are right now working together. So what this candle up here is something we call bullish engulfing candle. So basically the green candle is bigger than entire red candle, and that means that this candle kind of engulfs the previous candle. So this is a very bullish candle, so when we see something like this, we become bullish. Unfortunately, next day we dropped down, but after that, the next candle after that was a bullish engulfing candle again. So this happened two times. First time up here, and the second time up here. And this, because first time it went down, but it was like, no, I'm going up, you know, and that's bullish. And then second time also dropped down, but again was like, no, we're going up, and it went up. And now third time, when we had this Bitcoin drop down here, right, we did not cross the 0.079 line, so this was good. But on the second day, yesterday, we actually dropped down, and we dropped down all the way down here. But as soon as we dropped below the 79 line, what's happening here? Bullish engulfing candle again for the third time. So this was first time, second time, and this is the third time. So every time we fall below the 79 line, we get this bullish engulfing candle. Now this hopefully it will last, and hopefully hold above the 79 level at least. But this line of support is actually seem to work very well and very nice. So we are hoping that that might actually continue further down the road. Let's zoom a little bit out, and you're gonna see that this is actually, wow, this is actually working out very nicely right now. It was dropping hard, but now this drop is slowing down, and we are kind of going sideways now. So how long sideways are we gonna go or not? That depends. But right now we are going sideways. Looks like we found some kind of support down here that's very important at 79 level. That said, let's go back to the daily chart and see what actually technicals are telling us. Right now on the daily, this MACD we are having the bearish cross down here, but the longer this goes on, the better the chances are that we're gonna soon get a bullish cross and go. Right now we're sitting at 56 RSI. It's very nice levels on the daily to push the price higher up. The only problem, that the Bittorrent has is on the weekly chart, and the moving averages. So on the moving averages, it's extended way extended from the 10 moving average. 10 moving average is sitting at 47, while the price is all the way up at 80. So it's almost like 40-50% up away from the price. How much is that? Yeah, 60-70% from the price. So that's it's extended. So the best case scenario would be actually to get closer to the 10 moving average and then bounce off of it. That said, it doesn't have to do that. It doesn't have to do that. What level? The 76 levels on this RSI indicator actually says that we are not that overbought on the weekly chart, and we can actually continue going up. So I'm right now looking for this to continue going sideways, especially since we are under. So let me take off these markers. We are below the 10 moving average and the 20 moving average on the downside, so that's bearish, but I'm guessing we can continue going sideways for a while before we actually get in any kind of trouble. So right now this 10 moving average will try to push the price down, but if we can get above the 10 moving average, then this 20 moving average will just kind of go a little bit up like this, and then we can slowly follow the 20 moving average, even though this 10 moving average is below us, and then after a while we can actually get the bounce that we need. That said, I don't know actually what's gonna happen, because this is actually a really hard technical analysis to do on, since this candle over here shows that there is a lot of bullishness on Bittorrent. So suddenly people can just start buying loads and break all of the technicals, and this can actually go up. And this we've seen that on this candle over here. Bullishness is really strong with this one. Bullish, you know, the force is strong with you now, and here is the bullishness is strong with you. So it's looking very good. So it was climbing this 20 moving average, and now it's broken the 20 moving average, so it's below it. So there are some bearish indicators and some bullish one. The bullish is that we are holding above. Still holding above 79 line. The bearish is we are below the 10 and the 20 now. So whatever gonna happen, we only need one candle to get above everything and go to the moon. Just remember that. It's not gonna take like a lot of days or something like that. These things goes fast. You get one candle, suddenly you go from bearish to bullish within hours, and that can happen. Right now also we are waiting for what Bitcoin is gonna do. If Bitcoin is gonna go up, everything goes up, and if Bitcoin goes down, you know, everything goes down. So it's not kind of Bittorrent's fault or something like that if Bitcoin goes down. That said, come back tomorrow and check the new video on Bittorrent. There will be update most likely. Also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. We do altcoins on this channel. We have Patreon where we do altcoins. We have Telegram group where we do altcoins or talk about altcoins. So we talk about altcoins all over the place. And if that's something for you, you know, check it out. Links down below. Thanks for watching, guys. See you around. Bye bye.